This is my unboxing and review of the Bloom Body Neck Smoothing Pads 2-pack. Prevent and smooth necklines. What a beautiful package this is. It comes with two sleeping neck pads that we sleep with on our faces. It gives you a little soap. It says, use me to wash the smoothing pads. So it's a gentle soap. Here is, it says, use me as a helper to keep the pad in place while you sleep. So this is actually going to be something that's going to go around the neck similar to this and hold the pad in place. They send you an allergy test patch to make sure that you don't have any allergic reactions to the silicone neck patch that you're gonna get. It just says, hello, beautiful. That's what I wish more of us would encourage each other. When you look in the mirror, what do you see? What do you focus attention on? Hello, beautiful. I think that's great. I love that brand, and I love this brand. So let me pull out. Then it gives you my two silicone patches, and here they are. And they just fit just like this. And they attach, and then you put the wrap around it to keep it in place. And it helps with your neck wrinkles. I am loving, this is my second set that I've gotten, and I absolutely love it. It doesn't give me any problems while I sleep, and I wake up to fewer neck lines, neck wrinkles, because of these little silicone patches. So pick them up, put them in your cart today.